What's your ambition to become?
My ambition is to become IAS officer.
You must welcome me. Global Spoken English.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. How is your girl? How is your life going?
It's going well. May I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Divyanshu Yadav. And what's your name?
My name is Dinesh. Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I'm 16. From where are you?
I'm from Hosi.
Do you like to eat spicy food?
Yeah, I like to eat spicy food. From
Do you like to swim in the pool?
No, I don't like to swim in the pond. Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is to play cricket. Do you like to play hockey?
No, I don't like to play hockey. What do you do in your free time?
I play outdoor games like cricket, football, etc. with my friends. What is your ambition?
I don't have any ambition. What is your father?
My father is an army. My father is an army officer.
What's your ambition to become?
My ambition is to become IAS officer. May I know something about your father?
My father is an army man. He is helpful and respect to others.
Oh. Do you like to prepare the tea?
No, I don't like to prepare the tea. Which subject do you like most?
I like the most English. And who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arsit Singh. Which actor do you like most?
I like the most Shah Rukh Khan. Do you like to eat toffees?
No, I don't like to eat toffees. Are you learning English nowadays?
Yes, I'm learning English nowadays.
From where you are learning English?
I'm learning English from Global Spoken English.
Where it is located?
It is located. In front of Sarvodaya PG College.
Who teaches you English?
Gulab Nabi sir teaches us English.
How does he teach you?
He teaches us very nicely. He used to teach us different types of activities like he used projector to teach us.
How many branches are there in Chikmagalur?
There are three branches in district. I hear about that you are also learning English nowadays.
Yeah, I am also learning English in another branch of Global Spoken English classes.
Where it is located?
It is located in Kopagal.
How many teachers are there?
There are two teachers.
Do they teach you nicely?
Yeah, they teach us nicely.
Do you like to speak English?
Yeah, I like to speak English.
Can you tell me something that before going to coaching and after going to coaching, what is your experience?
Before going to coaching, I can't able to speak fluently, but after going to coaching, I started to speak fluently with others.
What varieties of things that they use to teach us?
They use different types of instrument to teach us like whiteboard, marker, projector, and they tell us to sing songs so that we can understand the English very well and speak the English fluently.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like the English and math the most.
From where are you studying?
I am studying in St. Norbert School.
Where it is located?
It is located in Dharauli.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying class 9th. Nice to meet you, Divyanshu.
Same to you.